Hi, it's James here from Greenwoods Tree Contractors. We're here today in Windsor, Berkshire, taking down this large Dougle Fir behind me. The tree was surveyed by Duckworth Arboriculture and using a resistor graph was found to be in severe state of decay. So we had no other option than to take it down, and obviously using the crane makes it a lot safer. Behind me we've got Ben Rose climbing, and we've got Southern Cranes in with their 40-ton mobile crane. We've got our Morbark M20R wood chipper feeding straight into our 27 cubic yard skip on our 4x4 Iveco hook loader, and then you'll see in another shot we've got our brand new Newty Boom 36-ton capacity trailer to help moving the material and the machines off site.